The pier, the Christopher Street Pier, it has so much history, and no matter what, people want to do to it or the restrictions they want to put around it, that is that place. It is, as all of Christopher Street is, from Stonewall to Gay Street to Hudson. It is just, it's so Black. It is Black queerness. The pier it's like a Mecca for Black Pride, and I really, really value being in proximity to it. And I value, as we get into Pride season in June, how I've seen even more people come out and want to get on the pier. As someone that works for New York City Pride and plans the Pride events, there's this thought like, oh, the Pride March is the biggest thing and it's so important and that's what everybody wants to get to. But it's a little gem that from Black people, like the pier is Pride, and being on that pier and just vibing and seeing that and walking that same walk that so many of our queer ancestors walked before us and held forums down there and found somebody that was struggling and needed, to be held and hugged down at the pier, as well as so many other things that have happened, good or bad, down at the pier. It's great to be a 5-minute walk away from Pier 45.